Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing this look right here. It is a very pretty brown yellow color, honey inspired. So I am doing this video with Maddie Ziegler times Morphe palette again. Yes guys, I actually made the decision to do another look with this palette just because I felt very out of my comfort zone with the first look. So this is more me, I think. So yeah, I am doing this series like I have said in the past videos that I will be doing a makeup look with every palette I own. So yeah, I'm excited for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe to be a part of this family. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So I'm gonna start with the palette. This is gonna be the second look I do with this palette just because I'm not sure how I liked the first look. It wasn't like something I would do. It was just very weird for me. Like, it was out of my comfort zone. I'm trying to do something today that's in my comfort zone. So I'm gonna be starting with the shade Latte, which is that one right there, and we're gonna be putting this in the crease. So I already prepped my eyelids with the P. Louise base. So yeah, I'm just packing on this color, just making sure it is opaque enough. So yeah, so now that I have it packed on to my crease and my outer corner, I'm gonna get a blending brush with the same color on it and just blend it out. So I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm gonna be using the P. Louise primer just to cut it. So just like that. Getting a flat brush, I'm going to be picking up this yellow shade. It's called Like Butter, and I'm going to be putting that onto the lid. So now that it's on there like that, I'm gonna go back in with the shade Latte and blend those two shades together. And to deepen up the outer corner, I'm getting this shade right here. It's called M3. So that's how the eye is going to look. I'm going to do that to this eye and I'll be right back. I'm going to use the Hydro Grip Primer by Milk. I love this primer. And I'm gonna use this foundation stick. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. I'm in the shade Soft Beige. I love this foundation. I've not tried it in a while actually, but I know I do love it. that foundation is very natural on the skin, and if you do use it, I recommend using a brush with it and then lightly go in with a sponge. I'm just putting concealer on. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape and then blending it out. I'm just going to bake my under eye using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 05 Fair. So I'm going to take the palette again and pick up that latte shade and just put it on the under eye, the lash line. So now I'm going to contour a bit, and I'm going to use the Alamar Cosmetics trio, and I'm going to be picking up Soltera, the middle one. This is the shade medium tan. I'm going to take the LA Girl Blush Babes. This is my favorite blush palette. It's freaking beautiful. So I'm going to take this pinky peachy tones. I'm gonna spray some of the Kylie setting spray. I have nothing against that setting spray. It just doesn't smell like the best setting spray. It kind of smells like old perfume, if you catch my drift. For highlighter, I'm gonna get this oldie but goodie Wet n Wild Precious Petals. So I'm going to be applying some lashes. I'm going to be applying some Maddie B lashes in the style IG. And I'll be putting on some mascara, and I'll be right back. And I'm going to use this lippy. This is the Just a Tint by ColourPop in the shade Z Boys. So this is the final look, guys. I actually really like the way these Morphe colors perform. They're really pretty, and I love the yellow and the brown together. They look fabulous. So basically that is all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.